K9 security team spent years helping businesses migrate to AWS securely and adopt continuous delivery. Integrating meaningful security was always the hardest part. Through experience, interviews, and study of both AWS security and usability, we realized we've been set up to fail. It's too hard to get IAM security policies right and nearly impossible to validate they do what people intend. Engineers want to do the right thing, but they have neither the time nor expertise. It's because AWS security is too complex. Cloud applications have many more identities than traditional apps, and cloud apps change continuously. No organization using continuous delivery can secure their AWS deployments without powerful tools the whole team can use. That's why K9 simplified secure delivery with usable security policy automation and an insightful access audit service. K9's access audits are simple to understand, actionable, and satisfy compliance. Satisfy core compliance activities with the principals report, which shows what IAM principals exist in your account, when they were last used, and what credentials they have. Teams that want real security need more. They need to know exactly who has access to critical AWS APIs and data sources. The principal access summary shows what access capabilities each IAM role and user actually has, net of all security policies in the account. If you'd like to know who can administer IAM or delete data in RDS, this report will tell you using the simple K9 access capability model. Many teams want to start by securing access to critical data sources. The Resource Access Summaries report shows who can access critical S3 buckets, encryption keys, and more. Suppose you want to know who can read data from a confidential data source in S3. Apply a few filters and you have the answer. Lists of problems without solutions are ignored. So K9 also helps you generate great security policies with Terraform and CDK. These policy generators work in terms everyone understands and match the access audit. They take a list of IAM principles and your desired access capabilities as input. Then they generate a policy with least privilege and other best practices included. Of course, we have the allow statements you'd expect. The real magic is in the denies. This deny everyone else statement actually denies access to the bucket that isn't explicitly allowed by this policy. This protects against accidental access granted via wildcards. These generators plug into the code you already have, are open source, and free to use. Schedule a private demo to learn more or try K9 today by subscribing at k9security.io via the AWS Marketplace. You'll quickly see how K9 improves your visibility into AWS IAM and actual security posture.